Hi, this is Jason Champagne of Native Chef LLC. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be roasting sweet potatoes, and sweet potatoes are a really great food to be using throughout the year, not only just for Thanksgiving when we normally see them cooked. They're high in vitamin A, they're high in antioxidants, and they're high in fiber, and both insoluble and soluble. So they're really great for our digestive tract, they're great for our brain function, and they've been shown to fight certain types of cancer. So today we're going to be doing maple glazed roasted sweet potatoes. Very easy to do. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Let's get started. First up, we'll peel our potatoes. And then we want to cut these in half carefully. Then we'll cut these in half lengthways again, and then we just want similar pieces. They're going to range from about 3/4 of an inch to an inch, but we do want them to be similar. We'll add our potatoes to a bowl here, and now we're going to add some oil, and we're going to mix this well. And what the oil's doing is kind of acting like a glue. It's going to help hold on to our seasonings. Then we'll add some granulated garlic, some salt, and some black pepper. And we'll mix this again really well. Next up, I'm going to pan spray an oven-safe baker's pan, and then we're going to put our potatoes on here. And what's important here is to make sure they're not crowded. So make sure that you're kind of spreading these out, laying them flat, and giving them plenty of room to cook. And now we'll put this in an oven at 450 degrees. Next up, we'll cut up some fresh parsley, and this is going to be used for a garnish. The sweet potatoes should take about 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. So I'm going to take these and I'm going to remove them back to the same bowl that we used earlier. Now we're going to add our parsley. We're going to toss this well. Then we'll put these into a serving platter. And then right at the end here, we'll just drizzle a little bit of maple syrup right on top. Just adding that garnish right at the end there, that fresh parsley, really gives it nice color and makes it look that much better. And that's something we need to learn, is that people eat with their eyes. So to recap on this recipe, if you don't want to use maple syrup, use diabetic-friendly syrup, sugar-free syrup. Try to always cut up the sweet potatoes to the similar size so that they cook evenly. It's going to take between 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven and depending on how big you cut your sweet potatoes. Really easy recipe, really flavorful one, and I hope you're able to try this one at home. If you like this recipe and many other really great recipes, you can find that at the GoodHealthTV.com/recipes website. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay well, eat well, and always remember to have fun in the kitchen.